Welcome to 15-minute standing yoga flow. This is a short yoga sequence that you can practice with or without a yoga mat. Let's get started with feet around hip distance apart. Place one hand on your chest, another one on your belly, and close your eyes if it feels good here. Begin to deepen your breath, breathing in through your nose and breathing out through your nose. Deep inhale, long exhale. Feel your belly expand as you breathe in and contract as you breathe out. Slowly open your eyes. With your next inhale, reach your arms up to the sky. Grab your left wrist with the opposite hand and gently bend over to the right, stretching the left side of your body. Breathe deeply into your left ribs. Inhale back to center, switch the grip and bend over to the left. Big stretch on the right side of the body. Inhale to center, cactus your arms. As you breathe in, lift your chest and slightly lean back for gentle standing back bend. Keep lifting your chest a little higher as you breathe in. One more deep inhale. Exhale, bend forward, slightly bend your knees. Let your upper body hang heavy. Grab the opposite elbows. Maybe rock side to side, releasing your lower back. Allowing your upper body to relax here. Take a big inhale through your nose. Let it out through your mouth. Release your arms and slowly roll up to standing. Bring your feet closer together, big toes touching, a little bit space between your heels. Bend your knees as if you are sitting on a chair and lift your arms in line with your ears for chair pose. Lengthen through the sides of your body as you breathe in. As you breathe out, draw the navel in, strong core. One more inhale, reach through the fingertips. Exhale, bring your arms back, interlace the fingers. Inhale to lift the chest. Exhale, bend forward, straightening the legs. Pull your hands away from your back, feeling the stretch on the front of your shoulders and on the back of your legs, on your hamstrings. Keep breathing deeply here. Take one more inhale. Exhale, release your arms and roll up to standing. Take a big step back with your right foot. Bend your left knee over the ankle. Hips facing forward. Reach your arms up to the sky for high lunge. Breathe here, feeling a nice stretch on your right hip flexors. And now start slowly bending forward to your front leg. See how low you can go with control. And then slowly come up back to high lunge. With your next inhale, place your right heel down in line with the front heel. Open your arms to the sides for warrior 2. Hips are facing to the long side of the mat now. Gaze over your front hand. Strong warrior pose. Now straighten your left leg, step your right foot a little bit closer if you need for triangle pose. Inhale, lean forward, lengthening the torso, and then bring the left hand to the shin, reach your right arm up to the sky, triangle pose. With your next inhale, reach your right arm forward in line with the right side of the torso. Feel a nice stretch on the right side of the waist. And then bring your arm back, come up to standing, and step forward into mountain pose. We will repeat the same on the other side, so step your left foot back for high lunge. Sit as deep as you can to feel that stretch on the front of the left leg and reach your arms up. See if you can sink a little deeper into the hips with each exhale. Start slowly leaning your upper body forward. See how slow you can go with control. And when you reach your edge, come up slowly. Inhale, place your left heel down, open your arms for warrior 2. Make sure your front knee is facing forward over your toes, because it has a tendency to fall inwards. Relax your shoulders away from the ears. Then straighten your front leg, maybe place your back heel a little bit closer, lean forward, drop your hand to your shin, extend your left arm up to the sky. If looking up doesn't feel good for your neck, you can always look forward or down. With inhale, reach your left arm forward for that nice stretch on the side of the waist. And then slowly come up and step your foot forward. Now place your feet wider, around one leg distance apart, feet parallel to each other, hands on your waist. Inhale to lift your chest, push your hips forward for standing back bend. Exhale, bend forward. Try to keep your spine elongated. Knees can be slightly bent. Grab the opposite elbows and maybe rock side to side as we did before to release the upper body. If your legs are straight, try shifting more weight into the balls of your feet, bringing your hips over your heels. With your next inhale, roll up to standing. Turn your toes out and heels in. Bend your knees for goddess pose. Place your hands on your thighs. Drop your left shoulder forward, twisting to the right. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, drop your right shoulder forward, twisting to the left. Inhale, come back to center, straighten your legs, bring them closer together. For 3, pause, shift your weight into your left foot, place your right foot next to your ankle, under your knee or above your knee. Find the variation that works for your body, and then reach your arms up over the head. You can even bring your palms together if your shoulders allow. And breathe here. Keep your balance. Find something in front of you that you can concentrate on. One last time, breathe in. Breathe out, release. Repeat on the other side. So shift your weight into the other foot. Find the variations that works on this side. Reach your arms up and hold. If you fall out of the pose, just try again. The more you practice, the better it gets. And slowly release your 3. Shift your weight into your left foot again. Bend your right knee and bring your leg as high as you can. Hands together in front of your chest. Make sure you're not leaning back, trying to keep your balance. Keep your body in one line and just lift your leg as high as you can. Start leaning your torso forward, bringing your right leg back, parallel to the ground for warrior 3. Stay here for 1 breath. And then come up, place your right foot down, shift your weight into your right foot, bring your left leg up, place your hands together in front of your chest, inhale, and exhale, start leaning forward for warrior 3. Try to keep your balance here, even if it's just for 1 moment. And with your next inhale, come up, release your foot down to the ground. Good job. Place your feet a little wider than your hips. Find a comfortable position where you feel grounded and stable. Turn your palms to face forward and close your eyes if it feels good here. For a moment in standing Shavasana. See if you can find a moment of ease and relaxation in this pose that is not a typical relaxing pose. Now bring your palms together in front of your heart. Take a moment to thank yourself for taking this time to practice. With your next inhale, lift your head and open your eyes. Thank you for practicing with me. See you next time. Bye!